Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing a very good emerging technology and very trending in the market in 2025, which is going to be a number one and two position that is called blockchain. So those different kind of emerging technologies in top 10. So for example, if I search 1 second, I just want to search for something. Top 10 IT technologies. Top 10 IT technologies in 2025. When you search like this, you will be finding okay, let me show the images here. The top 10 trending IT technologies. Blockchain is going to be sitting in the one or two place. Okay, let me show guys. Okay, wait. The top 10 trending technologies. Top 10 trending technologies in 2025. Let me go with the AI mode. Yes, you can see somewhere my search is wrong. My search is wrong basically. Let me the top 10 IT technologies in 2025. When I search like this, can you see guys? Can you see? One is a cybersecurity. Trending technologies to learn in 2025. Trending technologies to learn in 2025. Cybersecurity, blockchain, quantum computing, generative AI. So the first four only we are actually dealing with. Mohan's Technologies strategy is different. Mohan's Technology is going to be giving subjects related to the cybersecurity, related to the blockchain, related to the quantum computing, and related to the generative AI. So in this way, we already started. Related to the blockchain. Mohan's Technology is going to be giving a different kind of technologies in the YouTube channel, and we are going to be starting the new batches also. Blockchain implementing with W3JS, Web3.js, and blockchain is going to be implementing with Python, and even blockchain security. There is a separate course. Blockchain security is also very trending in the market. Those kind of technologies we are going to be giving, and even for cybersecurity, there are multiple trending technical skills like ethical hacking, at the same time, identity access management IAM. Okay, PingFederate, Ping Access, Ping ID, CyberArk, Okta, 4G SailPoint, those kind of identity access management related things. Mohan's Technologies is dealing. At the same time, quantum computing. Very soon, we are going to be starting a batch with QISKit Python programming. QuizKit Python programming. That is a framework which was developed by IBM to implementing the quantum computing qubits. At the same time, we want to target the blockchain also. Blockchain is the trending thing like decentralization applications. And nowadays, future is going to be depends on decentralization applications. So what is the centralization and what is the decentralization? We will explore one by one. So what I just want to show for you, the top 10 trending IT technologies in 2025, top 10 trending IT technologies in 2025, that is a search keyword. When you search for that, cybersecurity, blockchain, quantum computing, and generative AI. Very soon, we are going to be starting the generative AI batch also, and we are targeting only these four technologies on the top level, top notch. Okay, programming everywhere. Programming is required. So here the programming required like Web3. Here the programming is required something like a Web3.js, and one more programming is required here Python. At the same time, for QuizKit also you should learn. For QuizKit also you should learn Python. For this also Python. Python everywhere Python. Even for cybersecurity, some ethical hacking kind of concepts Python is required. Generative AI anyway Python is required. And we already uploaded a lot of Python videos in the YouTube channel, and I will upload more and more videos for Python videos. You learn free of cost. No need to pay money for the Python videos. No need to pay money for the user interface UI related concepts also. And no need to pay money for the learning full stack also. Even full stack also, Mohan's Technologies is providing free of cost. But but these emerging technologies we have to give for the students or working people. Cybersecurity, blockchain, quantum computing, generative AI, huge number of job openings. huge number of job openings. The pay scale is very, very high. Pay scale is very, very high, and only trending technologies people are recruiting. Only for trending technologies people are recruiting. Already people are migrating their old technologies to the emerging technologies or trending technologies. Let me go discuss about the blockchain here. I want to tell you why blockchain is that much popular. Even government, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology, so Center for the Excellence in the Blockchain Technology. So they are going to be having the immutability. Immutable blockchain is actually immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? I will tell you one by one, and drive more transparency and great trust in the transactions. And one more important thing, blockchain applications. There are different kind of applications like a KYC authentication, identity management, supply chain, healthcare, record management, validation, financial transactions, document verification. For all these things, blockchain. See, can you see the blockchain image here? How the blocks are going to be interacting one to together. Huh? So I will tell you how this and blockchain NIC is the official website for the central government, and this NIC is going to be fully focusing on blockchain and quantum computing, even artificial intelligence also. And come to the blockchain. Blockchain is a shared immutable ledger for the facilities for the process of record transactions, tracking assets across the business network. That is a very, very interesting. Huh? This definition is very, very interesting. Blockchain is a shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets across a business network. So why blockchain is that much popular? I will tell you. I will tell you about this uh, centralization network, and I will tell you about the decentralization network. Blockchain is working with the decentralization network, D applications, D apps. We have to build the D apps. End of the day, and properties of the blockchain. Properties of the blockchain very simple. The one important property is something like a smart contracts. The one important thing is the smart contracts, auto execution of digital contracts, distributed, distributed ledgers. Ledger means what you know ledger. Huh? When you go to when you do something, for example, you send 1,000 rupees for your friend. That is one ledger, and you received 2,000 rupees from your friend. That is one ledger. One transaction is called one ledger, and day one transactions are going to be storing in one ledger. Day 1 month transactions are going to be storing in one ledger. That is a kind of ledger. Later, I will tell you that terminology. And one more thing is this is immutable. That is a one more important feature. And one more important feature, this is secured and this is trusted. This is something like a consensus, and this is something like a timestamp. The transaction timestamp is recorded on the block. Okay, there is no rigging kind of thing. There is no kind of hacking kind of thing in the blockchains. When blockchain come into the picture for all the kind of transactions like registrations and transactions, money transactions, or any kind of transactions, basically this is going to be a lot of impact is going to be showing on the financial system. When the blockchain come into the picture, there is no fraud, and financial system of the India should be getting more and more. GDP will get more and more. Okay, let me show one by one. I will go to the different kind of scenarios. I will show the different kind of scenarios here. And let me go to the web3.js. In blockchain, we have to learn two programming languages. I already told. The one is the web3.js, that is the Ethereum JavaScript API. So Ethereum is the one kind of framework that is basically working with the smart contracts. This particular how you can able to connect with the smart contracts from the front end. So this is the Ethereum. Web3.js is a JavaScript based framework which is going to be connecting with the smart contracts, which is going to be connecting with the blockchain applications. Okay, I will tell you later how this Ethereum is going to be working using with the Web3.js and what are the Web3 modules, Web3 version and providers and current provider, batch request, extend. See, Web3.eth, nothing but Ethereum. So how to connect with the Ethereum and how you can do the transaction, how your transaction need to be commit, and how you're receiving the transactions. All these things we will discuss later. Let me explain about the blockchain here. Blockchain with web3.js, that is okay. Now I want to tell you two differences. One is the centralized network. One is the centralized network. What is the centralized network? By default, nowadays, nowadays the existing network is the centralized network. Existing network is a centralized network. And upcoming network, blockchain is maintaining decentralized network. Decentralized network. Decentralized network. What is this decentralized network is? I will tell you. I will tell you the differences between the centralized network and a decentralized network. Okay. Later on, we will discuss about it. Okay. Right now, I want to give you the major difference between the centralized network and decentralized network. Okay. Come to the centralized network. Okay. So there is one company or there is one organization. Let me draw the picture for the centralized network. Okay. Centralized network. This is the central system. Central system. And central system is connecting with the multiple other subsystems. Central system connecting with the different other subsystems here. Okay. And central system have some rules. Central system have some rules and regulations. Those rules and regulations, those principles need to transfer for this, and those things need to transfer for this, and those things need to transfer for this, and those things need to transfer for this. And who is the having authority to take the decision? To take the decision, who is having authority? Only the central system having the authority to take the decision and give the permissions to the different kind of other persons. Okay, so here these are the subsystems like A, B, or C. Okay, these are the subsystems in the company, and these subsystems cannot do anything without having the permission from the super system, without having the permission from the central system or super system. Okay, so if A have some trouble, A need to connect with the central system only. B have some trouble, B need to connect with the central system only. Central system need to give the response for the A. Central system only need to give the response for the B, and the central system only need to give the responsible for the C. Getting my point? So there is no transaction or there is no communication between the A system and B system. There is no communication between the B system and C system. There is no communication. Even there is no communication between the A system and B system to A system. Centralized network means everything is based on center. For example, in AP, some immediate there is some kind of fluctuations are going to be happen. Some kind of issues are going to be happen in the AP or in Telangana or in some other Punjab state. Okay, the orders need to be passed from the central government only. Until unless order is not taking from the central government, order is not passing from the central government, they can't do anything. Means go, it will go worst. Okay, so this particular state have some authority to take the decision immediately. For example, some floods are coming, some exploit some exploit done, a big accident done with a big accident happened with the AP. Then immediately AP need to take a decision based on that. AP is not waiting for the PM call. AP is not going to be waiting for the central call. That's a problem. So that kind of problems which are going to be available when this person A has to wait till get the information from the central system. So where central system got failure, actually centralized network where get failure. So something is going to be fail with the P and A is going to be getting shut down. So that's all. That gone. That gone. Sometime A and B and C got shut down. Okay, everything is going to be shutting down. Everything is going to be shutting down. Central system cannot do anything. Cannot do anything. Something is going to be happening with the downline networks. Central system cannot able to do anything. Okay, that is the problem actually. If A hacked, if B hacked, if C hacked, gone. D hacked, gone. E hacked, gone. The data completely gone. Data not stored with the central system. Data is not going to be storing with somewhere. That's the total things are gone. Okay, that problems need to be resolved. That problems need to be rectified in the part of the decentralized network. What a decentralized network is, I will tell you. The decentralized network, for example, there is a central system and there are some subsystems which are going to be connecting with the central system. I will draw the picture. I'm not a good drawing person, but I'm trying to drawing the picture here. Okay, this is the decentralized network, for example. This is the decentralized network. How the decentralized network is going to be working? Okay, this is the center system, right? Center system connecting with A. center system connecting with the B, center system connecting with the C, and center system connecting with the D, and the center system connecting with the E, F, G, H also. Central system connecting with the different other subsystems. Again, A and B connected. Again, B and C connected. And again, C and D connected. Again, D and E connected. Again, E and F connected. Again, F and G connected. Again, G and H connected. Again, H and A connected. Can you see? This is what actually, okay, this is something like A, this is something like B, and this is something like C, and this is something like D. Each and every system connecting internally one to one. Each and every system connecting one together internally one to one. Ah, every transaction, every record stored into the every block. Every record or every transaction is going to be stored into the every block. For example, some systems, all the systems got blocked. All the systems got hacked. Okay, this system hacked. Sometime this system hacked. Sometime this system hacked. Sometimes central system also hacked. Sometimes this system also hacked. Even this system also hacked. Even this system also hacked. This system also hacked. This system also hacked. Even this system also hacked. This system got total information. Somewhere, some subsystems in the network, huge number of systems are going to be establishing. Huge number of decentralized network is going to be establishing. Somewhere the data got safe. But this kind of hacking is that much not possible. This kind of hacking is that much not possible. This kind of decentralized networks. Hacking is impossible. Mostly 99.99% hacking is impossible. This decentralized network. Why? Because of that much secured. Why? Because it connected internally with a number of systems. A hacker can able to hack this kind of a hacker can able to hack this kind of one system, one network, but a hacker cannot able to hack a huge network. Why? Because this is connecting with the millions of systems internally. If some system got getting trying to hacking, other system is responding, some system is getting trying to hacking. Immediately, solution will be there. Immediately, fight will be there. So that is the why reason a hacker will take years of time. A hacker will take years of time to hack the decentralized network. Why? Because that much encryption, that much encrypted algorithms which are working with the decentralized network. That is the major advantage of the blockchain. That is a major advantage of the blockchain. Every transaction, every ledger, which is going to be stored throughout the network, throughout the blocks, a number of blocks. Even let me tell you, even this system is having some other subsystems. This system is also having some other subsystems. Okay, the data got stored here and here also. The data got stored here and here also. Even all the transactions are going to be stored in this system also. Even that data is going to be stored this system also. Even this data got stored in this system also. Even this system connecting with H also. Even this system connecting with H also. Even this system connecting with the B also. Even this system connecting with the central also. Can you see? That is a decentralization. Block. That is the meaning of blockchain. Data got stored with the blocks. In the block, all the ledgers, all the transactions which are going to be storing with. And these transactions are going to be stored with a very high encrypted algorithms. Okay, there are multiple kind of programming languages to deal this blockchain decentralization networks. We have the web3.js, we have the Python to connect with the blockchain and working with the data got stored secure. I already told, even government also investing a lot of money for blockchain related things and use cases in real time. This kind of network is going to be building in the financial sector first of all. The second, this is going to be needed for the voting system, and this is going to be needed in the medical system. This is going to be needed in the registration system, the land registrations, and this is going to be needed in the transactions, money transactions, and this is going to be needing in the financial sectors, banking sectors, and this is going to be needing in the IT companies. IT companies. Yes. Okay. So or money exchanges, even money exchanges, currency exchanges. Everywhere, this is going to be a high secured. This blockchain is going to be a trending and emerging technology and superb. And I'm very much interested about dealing with the blockchain. And these are the different kind of techniques you have to understand. To learn the blockchain, you need to understand the web3.js. Let me show how the blockchain is going to be available in the Mohansh Technologies. This is the Mohansh Technologies website. You can just search for the mohanstechnologies.com. When you open mohanstechnologies.com, you will be finding all the emerging latest technologies here. Let me go to the courses here. Let me go to the courses here. Mohansh Technologies courses are completely different. Only on top four in world, what are the top four trending technologies are available? Those technologies only Mohansh Technologies dealing. Like cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, there are identity access management like IAM, PingFederate, Ping Access, Ping One, Okta, 4G Rock, SailPoint, all these things. At the same time, we will be having the latest data science, prompting engineering, and agentic AI, Gen AI, all the concepts. And come to the third one: ethical hacking, AML KYC, blockchain, Web3.js, blockchain security, blockchain Python. Can you see here? Blockchain, Web3.js, blockchain Python, blockchain security, and quantum computing. Even Mohan's technology is going to be dealing the emerging technology like quantum computing. Let me go with the blockchain Web3.js here. When you go to the blockchain Web3.js, Mohan's technologies blockchain. Okay, let me show 1 second. This Web3.js. Yes, this is the Web3.js. And what are the features, key features? Blockchain security foundations and cryptography identity, smart contract security, dApp Web3 security. Okay, let me show something like come to the week one topics. Foundations, introduction to the blockchain industry, decentralization, immutability. And day two, cryptography basics, hashing, public private key signatures, distributed ledger, consensus and mechanisms, POW, POS, PBFT, blockchain architecture, Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus layer twos, and Node.js, peers, clients, and network structure, wallets, addresses, gas concept, and transaction anatomy, and development environment like Node.js, VS Code. Yeah, this is a very important thing. So development environment is very important thing. So we will try to install all these things one by one. And let's go with the week two, Ethereum foundations, Web3 basics, Ethereum, how Ethereum works, and how Web3 works, how Ether.js works, and how the JSON RPC transaction with Web3.js, send and sign, accounts, key management, event logs, Ethereum, debugging, analyzation transactions. And week three, solidity smart contracts. That is also very much important. Introduction to the solidity, data types and visibility. We have to discuss the solidity programming here. And week four, dApp development. dApp. What is the meaning of dApp, guys? What is the meaning of dApp? Decentralization application. I already told you. Blockchain is having only decentralization applications. So the week four is very, very important. Application architecture. We try to go with the application here. And the dApp architecture, front end, back end, smart contract, connecting with the MetaMask to dApp, reading the contract state from the front end, writing the transactions from the front end, handling the events in the front end, IPFS, decentralization storage, building a simple NFT minting D application. End of the day, within 45 to 50 days, we go and cover the complete blockchain course here, blockchain web3.js. Even we will be having the blockchain with Python also. So what blockchain with Python content will be? Can you see a blockchain with Python? The programming is actually changing. So previously we are working with the web3.js, but here we are working with the Python. So the same kind of introduction to the Python, introduction to the blockchain and Python setup, how the concepts are going to be working with the Python refresher like syntaxes, data types, functions in Python, and how Python libraries like hashlib and uh, exa request and Flask, transactions and blocks with the theory, chains and theory, and setting up the Python environment for the blockchain projects. Okay, so mini project blockchain Python skeleton. Week two, building blocks of core, and week three, advanced blockchain development. Week four, dApp development. Again, dApp. Web3.js also dApp developing, and even Python also this one developing. So both are actually same. Only the programming is actually changing. Web3 Pi introduction, connecting Python to Ethereum. Super. So this kind of things we have to learn. This kind of things we have to learn with the Mohansh Technologies. Mohansh Technologies is going to be dealing the blockchain Python and blockchain Web3.js 45 days training. Very soon we are going to be starting the batches. But one more thing I want to tell you people, don't worry, and don't confuse. And you people don't have any programming skills previously, don't care about it. You come from zero knowledge, we make you mastery. So Mohan's Technology is going to be dealing the course, dealing the content. Uh, Sutti Sodhi don't care. I don't want to go for the Sutti Sodhi. It's just straightforward the subject, straightforward the topic, straightforward the lab, straightforward the implementation. धन्ना 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 एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ता है. Straight single point to end point, single point to end point. We have to understand the subject. We have to build the project. That is the only agenda. An interview point of view, Mohansh is going to be giving a lot of mock-up interviews for you, and 100% this is the real-time exposure. So we are all certified persons. Mohansh is going to be a certified person for the blockchain. And come to the part of the YouTube channel. So Mohansh is going to be having the YouTube channel here, and you search for the Mohansh Technologies in the YouTube. You will be finding the Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel, and you will be finding the playlist here. Lot of prerequisite programming languages I already uploaded. Can you go and see? Can you go and see blockchain Python here? And lot of classes also we started, like JavaScript, HTML, CSS. This is important for the blockchain development. And even Python free classes also we started. In the morning, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 2 batches are running. If you want, you can join and enroll. I will give you a group link in the chat box. No worries. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript UI sessions already uploaded. 10 sessions already uploaded. And for the blockchain also, I uploaded a lot of sessions here. Web3.js also I uploaded sessions here. So you come and learn. You come and learn only emerging technologies. Only emerging technologies with Mohan's Technologies. Let me open Naukri here. How the job market for the blockchain I will show now. And let me open LinkedIn. Let me open LinkedIn. Let me open one more thing. Found it. Sorry, that's what found it. Yeah, found it. Let me open Indeed. I will show how the job market for the blockchain nowadays. People are saying that jobs are not there. Jobs are not there. It is not true, sir. Jobs are there. Jobs are only available for emerging technologies. People are not recruiting the junk people. People are not recruiting the I don't want to say the words actually. Okay, people are recruiting. Companies are recruiting only for emerging people, emerging technology, and multi-talented, super talented. Okay, now let me search for blockchain here. Blockchain developer, just blockchain developer, Ethereum, Web Solidity, Web3.js, and that's all. Okay, smart contracts. Let me search for the jobs. Huge number of openings. Okay, my search is bad actually. I don't want to search all these things. Just to give the blockchain developer enough. You can see blockchain developer, you will be having 6980 number of jobs. Blockchain developer, Python. Let me give the Python and Web3.js. If I search like the only technical skills I'm giving. Okay, just to search for this. Can you see and observe? 60,973 openings for the blockchain engineers. What blockchain engineer role? What blockchain engineer role? Experience with the Solidity Web3 related technologies. You are looking where to help our beyond scope of one day-to-day work, what you need to do. 2 years of experience working on blockchain technology. 1 year experience also people are recruiting, sir. Even freshers also people are taking. For blockchain, freshers also people are taking. Freshers to experienced people, this blockchain is going to be giving the jobs. The role is also very, very important. Blockchain quality assurance engineer, software product engineering. Okay, full-time, permanent, quality assurance and testing. Oh my God. These number of openings which are available in the Naukri. You can see the LinkedIn. In LinkedIn also, you search the blockchain here. I'm just searching for the blockchain. A blockchain web3.js, web3.js, comma Python. I'm searching for web3.js Python. You can see huge number of job openings and number of pages. Anyone you can search, anyone you can click. Blockchain developer you can click here. What is the job role here? Job role is very simple. Job title is backend developer, React.js, Python, Node.js, blockchain. 3 to 8 years of experience. Bangalore. We are looking for skilled, proactive backend developer with strong experience with React.js, Python, Node.js, and solid understanding blockchain technologies. Every full stack engineer nowadays, every full stack engineer compulsory need a blockchain or AI or quantum. Otherwise, people are not recruiting. You know Python full stack, you know Java full stack, you know .NET full stack, you know Node.js full stack, you know PHP full stack, not a matter. Do you have any knowledge in a blockchain? Do you have any knowledge in a AI? Do you have any knowledge in a quantum? They are asking like this. That is basically required. People are asking like that. People are asking like that. Experience in blockchain development like Ethereum, Solidity, Web3 is must. Super. Familiarity with the smart contracts, wallet integration, blockchain security, must. Super. This is the what actually the companies are looking for. But people are don't know about all these things. And come to the found it. You can search for the same keyword here. Let me search for the same keyword here in the found it. In found it also you will be finding huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. See, and even in the Indeed you can search the same title. I'm actually showing before you. I'm showing before you huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. So 32,000 plus jobs they are actually showing. Better you can keep in the LinkedIn or keep in the Naukri. These are the good job portals where you can search for the different kind of technologies or technology related jobs. I am telling one more time, you people, to learn a decentralized network, how to connect this decentralized network, and how to develop dApps kind of thing. dApps, nothing but a decentralization application. End of the day, you have to do the decentralization application. From the front end, you need to connect with the back end with the blockchain. Decentralization applications are getting trend in the market nowadays. All these centralized networks are going to be getting down in the future. Getting down in the future. Only decentralization networks only running in the future, and business sector, financial sector, everywhere. Even in the small company also need to be work like this in the future. Definitely. It will take time, but definitely the centralized networks are getting down in the future. All the networks are getting established with the decentralized network only. Already few things established in the high level financial sectors. This decentralized network is going happening with no frauds, nothing. Everything is transparent. Okay, everything is transparent. Decentralized network means what? Everything is transparent. I am clear. You also need to be clear. Okay, so if you like the video, please share with your friends. Like the video and share the video. Subscribe the channel, and please go with YouTube channel Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel, and visit the website mohanshtechnologies.com. If you have any queries and questions, you can ping me in the chat box. And one more small announcement I want to do here. There are two batches we are going to be starting on October 20th. On October 20th, we are starting two new batches on October 20th. This month only. This month only, we are starting two new batches. The one is full stack, full stack Python, full stack Python ML plus AI. ML AI. Okay, ML AI. Full stack Python ML AI, 45 days free training. We are not charging here any rupee from you. And these are the free batches, free 45 days trainings. Free 45 days trainings. Two batches we are starting 11 a.m., 12 a.m. One is the full stack Python ML AI. One is the full stack MERN. Full stack MERN, again ML AI. Two batches we are going to be starting. Please enroll for that. I will give you the group links in the description here. Please join in the groups and inquire for this. And these are the free. Blockchain is not free. Full stack is free. Yes, I am giving all programming languages. Mohansh Technologies is providing all the programming languages free. At the same time, full stack Python ML AI free. Full stack MERN ML AI free. These particular full stacks outside people are actually charging 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. But we don't want. We don't want. Our Mohansh Technologies focus is different, sir. Mohansh Technologies focus is only hit the top four, in the industry. These are all free. You can learn free. We give free. We give free of cost. No need to pay money for this. I hope everybody got to understand what I am telling you, people. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends and family members. And please provide your valuable comments. Your comments are needful. Why? Because of you are getting the information when you watch the video. But when you provide some like and comment this video to reach unwatched person also, some person don't know how to search for the blockchain and all. This video will reach to the other person who is not watching and who is don't know about this research keywords and all. That is a requirement. That's what actually I want to tell you, people. So see you signing off. We'll meet in the coming classes when the blockchain batch is going to be starting with. And October 20, these two batches are starting. Please inquire and join with the groups. I will share the group links in the description. You see the description, you can able to watch and comments. Bye for now. Have a good day.